The following ways can be used for treatment of bulimia. Psychological treatment. Psychological treatment helps in improving the symptoms of bulimia. Cognitive behavior therapy can be used to treat mental ailments such as depression, negative beliefs, and behaviors with healthy and positive ones. Medications. Antidepressants may alleviate the symptoms of bulimia along with the psychotherapy or psychological treatment. Fluoxetine is only depressant to treat bulimia. Education for nutrition and health weight. In case of bulimia, come back to the healthy weight and should be given to top priority. Dietitian should prepare an eating plan to help you to achieve again a healthy weight. He should educate regarding normal eating habits and good nutrition. Be cautious about exercise. Healthcare provider should give a proper plan of physical activity or exercise to the person affected by bulimia. The affected person should not perform excessive exercise to burn off calories consumed by taking more amounts of food. Effects of diet on performance. Any diet which has all the constituents of food necessary for maintenance and growth of body is sufficient amount is essential for the individual whether they perform simple work or engage in highly competitive sports. The requirements of diet varies so much from one individual to other individual that to fix the standard of diet for a group of person would be meaningless. Generally, the daily requirements of an active person may vary from 3000 calories to 8000 calories, depending upon his size, weight, age, physical condition, and severity of the work done each day. Regarding the role of diet on the performance of a sports person, various claims have been made. Many researchers who have investigated the roles of diet on the sports performance say that a well-balanced diet is all that is essential to ensure good performance. Some studies indicate that diet can improve the sports performance, whereas some studies do not claim any significant effect of diet on sports performance. A number of studies indicate that particular diet can improve a sports performance. As a matter of fact, a well-balanced diet may not guarantee success in sports, but it ensures that imbalanced diet definitely affects the performance adversely, whether in sports or in other type of work. To know the role of particular diet, it would be better to know of the role of essential nutrients on performance of these essential nutrients are on performance. These essential nutrients are described below. Now we are going to discuss about fat, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Let's discuss all these one by one. Fat. Fat is considered as a major source of fuel for high to light to moderate levels of activity. Various types of sport require different proportion of fat to muscle for maximum performance. A minimum amount of fat is desired for a distance runner, a high jumper, and a gymnast. These athletes require nominal fat. If they add weight, it will hinder